Hi there! I made a video about Fisker 1 month ago and I predicted that this company will go bankrupt. And guess what happened? The stock price has declined by 61% in the last 5 days, as you can see. And more recently, New York Times said that Fisker is preparing for a possible bankruptcy filing. So, as I said in my previous video, this company, Fisker, may go bankrupt soon. And that is about to happen. Now, how did I know that? In my video, I explained all the risks and that investors will lose a lot of money if they decide to invest in this company. Now, some people listen to me, but let me explain why I believed that Fisker will go bankrupt. Because if you look at the analyst estimates, you can see that the market was expecting a lot of growth for this company, Fisker. And now, as you can see, the stock price is down 61% and the market cap is about 83 million. So, as you can see, the analyst estimates, they said that the revenue may go up to 12 billion by 2027 and they may make some profits, starting with 2025 of about 100 million in profits. If that happens, of course the stock price will go up and rebound. But so far, as you can see, a decline of 61% and the company is about to go bankrupt. Now let's see together why I believed that this company Fisker may go bankrupt. As you know, this is a car company. They have some revenue, huge losses. Of course, all startups have losses. That's normal. But an important thing you have to be aware is that this company Fisker has 600 million in cash. So how come this company with 600 million in cash can go bankrupt? Because if you compare their assets, only their cash position, 600 million, with their market cap of 83 million, you can see that this company seems a real bargain at the current level of 15 cents. But why they are preparing for bankruptcy? Why that? Well, let me show you more. Besides this cash, they also have some debt of about 1 billion. And when you subtract their cash position from their total debt, they still have debt of around 400 million. So 400 million in debt, their net debt. Now, as interest rates are so high, over 5%, this company Fisker is facing a lot of problems. Because of higher interest rates, their interest goes higher. And as they have no profits, only losses, huge losses, they have no money to pay that interest expense. So because of this huge debt, Fisker is about to go bankrupt. As the Wall Street Journal said, they're preparing for a possible bankruptcy filing. And that's why the stock price has declined by 61%. So you can see all the details in my previous video 1 month ago when I predicted that this company will go bankrupt. The risk was obvious. Now, if you lost money with this company, don't worry. You will find better ideas in the future, for sure. Or if you need help, you can join my research platform, where I analyze great companies that have a moat and profits, and they can more than double your money. So, on my platform, you will find better investment ideas than Fisker, which now is down over 61% and is about to go bankrupt. You will find on my platform great companies that can grow their earnings even more in the future and so your investments. Now, if you need help with another company that you want me to analyze, then you can send me an email and then we'll discuss more. So, let's come back to Fisker. As I said, this company had a lot of debt. And that's why he's about to go bankrupt. And because of higher interest rates, over 5%, and they have no profits, only losses, it was easy to predict what will happen. Now, besides this, there is also massive dilution. As you can see, the number of shares keeps going up, and the value of investors keeps going down. The more shares they issue, the less value they get. So this is bad for investors. That's why you have to be very careful when you invest in companies, especially where the risk is quite high. That's why if you don't know how to analyze a business, how to look at their fundamentals, at their industry, at their future, then don't invest in this company. Invest in an index, S&P 500 or something better if you can find. Now, as I said, if you need help, you can send me an email or see the video description. And don't trust the analyst estimates. Because, as you can see, analysts, the market was expecting that the revenue will go to over 12 billion by 2027. And this company will become profitable. But look what happened. A decline of 61%, and they're about to go bankrupt. And this company, Fisker, is about to go bankrupt. That's why you need real analysis about companies to know when is the right time to buy and to understand the risk. Because if you invest in a risky company that is about to go bankrupt, your chance of losing money are quite high, almost 100%. But if you invest in a company that has a moat, that has a future ahead and is profitable, then you can make some money from those declines. By the way, I've also made a video in the past about Tesla when the stock price was around $100. And guess what happened? The stock price almost doubled. And now Tesla is getting cheaper and cheaper. So this might be another opportunity. That's why in my research platform, you'll find better ideas. And especially when is the right time to invest in a business. So don't trust the analyst estimates because sometimes they may be wrong. Then focus on the fundamentals and see their huge risks. And of course, the dilution. Plus, you also have to take into account the interest rates. The higher they get, and if a company has a lot of debt, as Fisker has, then the risk is quite obvious. So that's it for this video, and if you have other questions, please let me know in the comments.